Good morning, Mr. Bio. You speak English, right?
Yes.
Okay. Shh. All right, Mr. Bio, you're charged initially as of, it looks like November 7th, you picked up an assault of a family member. I see now that you've picked up a new case. As of November 30th, you've picked up a violation of a bond condition or protective order. I don't know which it is. All I know is that you picked up a violation case. You're facing now another year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. I haven't done probable cause, so we're going to do that. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. Sir.
Officers were dispatched to a residence in Harris County, Texas in response to a disturbance. The complainant stated that he was locked out of his residence by his ex-wife's new boyfriend. The complainant went to the residence because his ex-wife had called them and stated that she was going to work. When the complainant asked who would be watching their children, the ex-wife said a friend. Complainant then heard defendant's voice in the background and went over to the apartment. Complaining witness is the same complainant.
You said he heard whose voice?
The complainant heard the defendant's voice in the background. I think that the complainant believed that the defendant would be watching his and his ex-wife's children, and that's why he went over to the apartment. Complainant is the same complainant from a pending AFM, and the apartment address where the defendant was staying is listed on a signed order of protection.
How bad of an assault were we talking in the original case? What happened is
I think it was punching in the face with a closed fist.
once, twice, thrice?
2 to 3 times, it looks like, Judge.
Okay.
And I can give some excellent background on that I think they're also still working through.
On the assault case, we issued a protective order, I would imagine.
Yes, and I've got a copy of that, Judge, if you need to
And
see.
we ordered him, did we order him not to have contact with this person?
Yes, but that's not the basis of the new charge. And so if we delve into the state's filed information, which is also the basis of the allegation he violated, well, imagine you're hearing both kind of in conjunction, the new charge PC, but also considering the questions of bail with respect to the first charge as well.
Of course.
What's been alleged in the new information is that Mr. Bio went to the residence of the CW, Mr. McWilliams. As of the date when we first appeared in court, the representation was made by both Mr. McWilliams, and then today the representation was made by the ex-wife of Mr. McWilliams, who is the dating partner of Mr. Bio. So he is dating